Welcome to our exploration of the stock image market in 2025, where AI-generated content is taking center stage. Let's dive into Midjourney. Known for its innovative design, Midjourney allows users to create stunning stock images with ease. Now, meet Leonardo AI. Renowned for its unique capabilities, Leonardo offers features that redefine stock image creation. In this segment, we'll compare the image quality of Midjourney and Leonardo AI to see how they stack up. Pricing models are crucial in determining profitability. Let's examine how Midjourney and Leonardo AI compare. Hear it from the artists. Here are some success stories from those who've thrived using Midjourney for stock sales. Now, let's explore similar success stories from artists leveraging Leonardo AI for their stock images. Community and support are vital. Let's assess the resources available for users of Midjourney and Leonardo AI. What does the future hold for stock image sales? We share our predictions on how these AIs will reshape the market. In conclusion, which AI stands out for making money in stock image sales in 2025? Our analysis will help you decide.